For
Ball.
B is for
Ball.
apple. B is for
Juice.
binibiro mo na ako B is for
Loose.
B is for
Daddy daw.
B.
Ball.
Ball. C is for
Duck.
cat. D is for
Daddy daw.
honey. E is for
Egg.
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 F is for how about F? F is for fish. G is for girl. H is for horse. I is for
Egg.
I is for
8 days.
I is for
Egg.
I is for igloo, di ba? Igloo yung I mo. Oo, igloo. I is for igloo. J is for juice. K is for
Bita.
ay, Vita pala yan.
Tita.
Saan si tita?